Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Vijay Lakshmi. Today we are going to discuss about the analysis and design of algorithms question bank. So in this video I am covering all the 5 modules of ADA subject which are most important, which have been collected from the 5 years of question papers. So first module you can expect these questions like explain an algorithm or write Euclid's algorithm and using the same to solve GCD of 60, 24, and sequence of steps in design and analysis of algorithms, and what are the properties that any algorithm must satisfy, and how we are going to calculate the asymptotic notations for different problems, etc. And some brute force techniques to apply it for selection sort, and how we are going to compute the space complexity and time complexity of different algorithms. So that's what we discussed in the first module. And second module, these are some of the important questions. Just you can have a look on these questions. And third module, what is transform and conquer strategy? Briefly explain its variations. What are AVL trees, 2-3 trees, and outline the algorithm for bottom-up heap construction and how to construct a heap. So this is one of the important question, construction of a heap. And in two important questions, this question is repeatedly asked in the exam. Jim saw me in a barber shop. So it's a very important string. Using horse pull we solve this. Next, fourth module, dynamic programming. Warshall's algorithm is very important in this. And Floyd's algorithm, even this is also very important question. So in greedy method, you may get a question on finding the minimum spanning tree using Kruskal algorithm or Prim's algorithm, and how to find the shortest path using the Digitras algorithm, and how we are going to construct the Hoffman tree for a given string. Module 5, these are the questions repeatedly asked, that is NP and NP hard complete problems, N-coins problem, backtracking, branch and round, etc. Hope this question bank will be useful for you all. And in my next video, I'm going to give IA test question paper along with the scheme of 5 modules. Please refer to that. Thank you all.